Every day, millions of glass bottles are thrown away around the world. Most of this glass is contaminated and never recycled. These bottles come in different colors and conditions. The recycling process begins at large industrial facilities. Glass waste is loaded onto conveyor systems. Powerful crushers break the glass into smaller pieces. The fragments are sorted by size using screening machines. Different sizes are separated for efficient processing.
The glass continues through automated systems.
The system separates glass into pure color groups. Each color stream is processed separately. Clean recycled glass is collected for reuse. The cullet is mixed with raw materials. The mixture is melted at extremely high temperatures. The glass becomes molten and fluid. The molten glass is divided into precise portions. Each portion enters a molding system. Machines form the glass into bottle shapes. In seconds, a new bottle takes shape. Controlled cooling strengthens the glass. The bottles move forward for inspection. Each bottle is checked for quality. Finally, the recycled bottles are ready for a new life.